Porches and decks are very similar in construction. The main difference between the two is that a porch has a roof and is at least partially enclosed, while a deck is completely open. So the installation process to construct the deck or porch itself is mainly the same. You want to make sure your deck will last just as long without all the common issues associated with some decking options. When we say hardwood, we are talking about some of the hardest, most durable woods on earth. In fact, they are harder and more durable than teak and cheaper too. The wood species we recommend for the decking for porches are ipe, kumaru, tigerwood, garapa, and masaranduba. These South American hardwoods are sustainably harvested and have proven to last up to 75 years with very low maintenance. They are also naturally resistant to rot, decay, mold, mildew, splinters. They have a Class A rating against flame spread. They're resistant to wood-boring insects. They're naturally slip-resistant and not hot to walk on barefoot. The only maintenance that's required is cleaning the dirt and debris off the surface, which is required by all decking manufacturers. Pollen, dirt, leaves, rain, and other debris will land on all decks, so a light power washing is a good idea when needed. The only other maintenance that many homeowners choose to do is oiling the wood, usually once a year. UV rays from the sun will bleach the color out of the wood and turn it gray. Some homeowners like the gray look, so they don't have to do anything other than an occasional cleaning. Oiling will keep the color of the wood and enhance the beautiful grain. Once you see the beauty of these woods, most homeowners want to maintain that look. The oil you simply roll on with a paint roller. After that, you wipe up any that did not soak into the wood. These woods are so dense, they will only absorb so much oil. It will eventually fade away. Then you just apply more oil. Visit us at AdvantageLumber.com for all of your decking needs. We ship to your home or job site worldwide.